Hi, so this lesson you're doing a test. So you've either decided to do it today, which might be a Thursday or a Friday. But remember, you can only have one go at it. Okay, so mark your attendance first off. Okay, so just scroll down here and you'll mark it for lesson 3 or lesson 2, one of those 2 days. That's Thursday or Friday. And then you scroll down, keep going, 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 and there's your quiz. Click on that and then click on begin quiz. Remember, you have 1 hour, okay? Sorry, there's 19 questions, not 18. And just press begin quiz, and it's multiple choice questions only, one correct answer only. And so we do that. And once you finish it, it will be a case of submitting. And then all you need to do is have a good long weekend. So when we get back, we'll start the next topic, which is statistics. Oh, by the way, during this test, you have full access to technology. That's your graphic calculator. You can use programs like this one if you have it on your calculator, which would be good. And of course, your summary book. So think carefully about your multiple choice questions. Bit of logics. Um, Remember how money works, increase or decrease, markup or discount, so forth. And I'm sure you'll do well. Stay positive and don't worry, you have plenty of time to do this. Till next Tuesday, have a good weekend.